Okay, quick demonstration of the RFID type immobiliser on the full transit. See blue flashing LED up on the A post there, stating that the system's armed. System arms about 30 seconds automatically after turning the ignition off. In the top glove box there, there's a emergency override receptacle. You don't need to use that unless you lose your RFID tag. So providing this RFID tag is on the keyring, when you attempt to start the vehicle and switched on, the system will disarm automatically. If you lose this RFID tag, then you get an emergency override key which you use in that socket up there above the glove box there. Now the system, if you try and start a vehicle and it doesn't see the RFID tag, what will happen is it will prevent the vehicle from starting and pulse the horn to alert attention until a tag is in range or until an emergency override touch key is used. So I've turned the tags off. We get two tags with the system. I've turned the tags off just to demonstrate. So we'll try and start the vehicle and then I'll disarm it using the emergency override procedure. So here we go. So foot on the clutch, key in ignition, attempt to start, nothing. There we go. You see the horn is pulsing there. Now if I touch the touch key just briefly on there, puts the light out, also puts the blue light out on the A post there. Now we ignition on, crank engine, starts and runs as normal. Now once we turn the engine off, the system will automatically arm again after sort of 30 seconds or so. So you don't need to use this emergency override tag. This is purely in the emergency. Typical operation, this stays on your keyring switched on and the system arms and disarms as you enter the vehicle normally. As soon as this gets out of range, if the vehicle's then attempted to be started, the vehicle won't start, horn will pulse to draw attention.